Hello, my name is Stacy Langford. Welcome to build a full website around a blog using WordPress. By the end of this project, you will create a full website that is attractive and user-friendly using a free content management system, WordPress. You will learn how to develop using front and back-end development while implementing themes and plugins using the web creation tool. You'll have a virtual space to showcase your business with customers who want to stay connected. Here's a peek at the finished website. Let's get started. You should navigate to www.wordpress.com. You should already have a WordPress account. If you do not, pause the video now to create and set up your WordPress account. You should navigate to your website dashboard in order to begin setting up your website. We are going to create a brand new website in WordPress. The new website is going to be about classic bicycles. It will include information related to classic or vintage bicycles. In order to do this, click on the My Site button in the upper left corner of the page. Using the navigation tools on the left pane, look to the very bottom for the link that shows a plus sign inside a circle and says, Add a new site. Click on the link. You'll be taken to a new page prompting you to create a brand new site or add an existing site using a plugin. We want to create a brand new site. Click on the pink Start Now button under the WordPress logo. Since we want to create a free site at this point, click on the link that says Start with a free site. You will need to type the domain you wish to create in the search box. For this lesson, choose generic keywords to search. You can type keywords that go along with the theme of the website, classic bicycles. Then choose the generic domain name that is free. It is the top option in the list under the paid suggestions. Remember that you can always change it later if you wish. If you run into an issue noting that you must have an active token when creating your brand new website, this is a system glitch. Clear your cache or cookies, or open a different web browser and log into your website again. Once you have created your free website, you will be taken directly to the developer homepage for the new website. Make sure that you are indeed on the homepage for your new website by looking at the upper left corner of the page. You'll see site title and the new URL immediately below it. Let's get the homepage of the site set up. We can do this by following the checklist titled Site Setup List. We want to give the site a name. So let's go ahead and click on the button that says Name Your Site. Click in the box that says Site Title and type Learn to Create a Website. You may wish to go ahead and title your site Classic Bicycles or For the Love of Bikes, which will go with the theme of the page. Let's go ahead and use For the Love of Bikes. If you choose to use Learn to Create a Website, this will help you know that this was the website you built to begin with. We want to add the text for the tagline, so click on Site Tagline. And type in the phrase, "You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a bike," and that's pretty close. Click Save Settings to change your settings, or to save your changes. Scroll down to change the site time zone for your location. I'm going to leave the default setting for site time zone, but if you click on the box, then you can change your time zone. We'll leave this one at Chicago. We will leave the rest of the settings on the default setting at this time, but take note of the following tools. The custom address, you can add a custom address later, but this is where you go to change your domain to one that is more suitable for the website. Do not press the Launch Site button at this time. We will launch our site later once the content has been created. The footer credit can be changed once you purchase your own domain. And if in the future you need to delete content or delete your site permanently, you can use this menu. It falls under the settings link in the navigation on the left side of the page. Scroll back to the top and click on the Save Settings button. Let's go ahead and return to the site setup list. Click on the My Home link in the navigation on the left side of the page. You should see the checklist again. It may have already been populated for you. Click on the Update Homepage button. The homepage is the first page your website visitors will see when they navigate to your website, so we want to make a good impression. The homepage setup is the last change or adjustment that is made. The next two items in the setup list prompt us to launch our website and get the WordPress app. We will launch our website once we are finished building it. The WordPress app allows for site maintenance and the ability to watch site analytics while you are away from your computer. You may choose to do this later. If you need more time to complete the first three items on the site checklist and download the WordPress app, pause the video now. In this task, we completed the first three items of the site checklist. In the next task, we will finish the site setup checklist by updating and editing the homepage.